Hi, this is Paula Januszkiewicz. I'm the CEO of Secure, a company that delivers high-quality cybersecurity services. We are placed in Dubai, New York, Switzerland and Poland, but this time I'm going to be in the Netherlands with my team delivering the workshop, which is called Hacking and Securing Windows Infrastructure with Windows Forensics. And well, what can I say? My favorite part is forensics, so I took it and I'm going to deliver that part, but my team's going to deliver the rest. So let me tell you a couple of words about the workshop. First of all, it's going to happen from 10 to 11 of October 2018 at the AppManagEvent, so make sure that you're going to be there. Second, make sure that you're going to be on a Precon conference where we're going to cover things like analysis of the evidence, gathering the evidence is the first thing, how to do it appropriately and properly so that you are able to technically analyze it later, how you are able to extract information from different types of systems, areas, so when the incident happens, you can do pretty much all the steps as they're supposed to be done. And then we're going to get into hacking and securing part, where we are able to analyze the current cybersecurity posture, learn how hack is done so that it helps forensic to be boosted over here, because you understand finally how that process is happening. And then on the top of that, we're going to put a cherry where we're going to be analyzing where we are able to apply different types of technologies to secure these holes so that at the end we are able to put that cybersecurity in the good shape. So very practical, as you see. My team also has access to the source code of Windows, myself too, so you are in definitely good hands. And even so we will not be able to answer all of your questions, then we are always able to find the answers for those. So super practical, lots of fun, and knowledge, and pure knowledge. This is pretty much what we're gonna do. So guys, no time to lose. Sign up for the workshop and see you there.